Imagine this. It's late at night. You're craving something sweet, refreshing, and juicy. You open the fridge and there it is, a big, bright red slice of watermelon. But wait, should you actually eat it before bed? What really happens if you snack on watermelon at night? Stick around because the truth might surprise you. All right, let's talk about it. Watermelon isn't just a summer treat. It's one of the most loved fruits in America. Sweet, hydrating, low in calories. What's not to love? But here's the catch. Many people wonder if eating watermelon late at night is a good idea, or if it could secretly mess with your sleep, digestion, or even your weight. And here is the fun part. Watermelon has some hidden health effects that most people don't even think about. So in today's video, we're diving deep. I'll break down the pros, the cons, and the big reveal of what your body actually does when you eat watermelon before bed. Point 1. Watermelon Shaker Hydration Hero. First off, watermelon is basically water in fruit form. In fact, it's about 92% water. That's why just a couple slices can make you feel instantly refreshed. Now, hydration is usually a good thing, right? But here's the twist. Eating watermelon at night might mean you're running to the bathroom more often. Midnight bathroom trips? Not so fun. If you're someone who struggles with waking up in the middle of the night, that extra water could be the reason. Still, it's not always a bad thing. If you've had a super salty dinner or a heavy workout, a late-night slice of watermelon could actually help balance things out. It's like nature's sports drink without all the sugar and chemicals. Point 2. Sugar and sleep. Now, let's talk about sugar. Watermelon might be light and refreshing, but it's also pretty sweet. A single wedge packs natural sugars that can give you a little boost of energy. That's great if you need a quick pick-me-up in the afternoon. But at night, not so much. That sugar can make it harder for some people to wind down. Instead of feeling calm and sleepy, you might feel a little more awake than you want to be. Here's a relatable example. Ever had dessert after dinner and then tossed and turned in bed? Yeah, same idea. Watermelon may not be as heavy as ice cream or cake, but your body still reacts to that sugar rush. Point 3. Digestion and bloating. Here's something most people don't know. Watermelon is packed with something called FODMAPs, a type of natural sugar that some people's stomachs struggle to break down. What does that mean in plain English? Well, for some, it means bloating, gas, or a little stomach rumble. And eating it late at night, right before lying down, could make that even worse. Imagine going to bed feeling light and comfy, versus going to bed feeling like a balloon. Not fun, right? But don't worry, not everyone reacts this way. If your stomach handles watermelon just fine, then you're probably in the clear. Point 4. Nutrient powerhouse. Let's not forget, watermelon is more than just water and sugar. It's loaded with nutrients. Vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and something really special called lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant. In fact, watermelon has more lycopene than tomatoes. This stuff helps protect your heart, skin, and even your eyes. So if you eat watermelon at night, you're actually giving your body a little dose of natural vitamins and antioxidants. That's a win in my book. Fun fact, some studies even suggest that lycopene might help with better sleep quality. That's right. What you thought was just a sweet snack could be secretly helping you snooze. Point 5. Low-calorie, guilt-free snack. Here's another plus. Watermelon is incredibly low in calories. A big cup of diced watermelon is only around 45 calories. Compare that to a slice of cake or even a granola bar, and suddenly watermelon looks like a pretty smart choice. So if you're someone who gets nighttime cravings, watermelon could actually save you from eating something way heavier. Think of it as a sweet swap that satisfies your craving without wrecking your diet. All right, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The big question, what really happens if you eat watermelon at night? Here's the truth. It depends on you. For some people, it's totally fine. You stay hydrated, you get your vitamins, and you satisfy your sweet tooth without guilt. In fact, if you're trying to lose weight, watermelon might even help you avoid late-night junk food. But for others, it could mean restless sleep from sugar, extra bathroom trips, or feeling bloated when you lie down. So the real answer is this. Watermelon at night isn't bad, but it isn't perfect either. It's all about how your body reacts. If you notice you're sleeping fine and you feel good in the morning, enjoy it. But if you're waking up groggy or uncomfortable, maybe save that slice for earlier in the day. So there you have it. Eating watermelon at night isn't one size fits all. For some, it's a refreshing, healthy late-night snack. For others, it might mess with sleep or digestion. The key is listening to your body. If you're craving something sweet before bed and watermelon works for you, go for it. But if not, try other nighttime snacks like Greek yogurt, a banana, or a handful of almonds, foods that are lighter on your stomach and can even help you sleep better. All right, now I want to hear from you. Do you eat watermelon at night? Have you noticed it helps or hurts your sleep? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be reading them. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and share this video with someone who loves late-night snacking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.